welcome to another vlog. This is a tour of my house. Say hello to Max. Say hello. He doesn't want to say hello. Hi. Look at me. Yeah, this is basically my house. There's an elevator right there. Oh, Max. Max. Look at me. Look at me. Max. Look at me. There. Here. Take your bone. Take it. There. So, yeah, here's my house. There's a bathroom. This is how you... This button right here is how you turn on that up there. I just finished my chore, as you can see. And, yeah. Next time, let's do... No time smash. No time shading. Sorry. I'm so used to watching No Time Smash. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys like this tour of my house. I can't show you the upstairs and the downstairs because I have to stay with my dog, but peace.